আজকে আমরা দেখতে চলেছি একটা হরর ভিডিও। এই হরর ভিডিওতে অনেক মজা হবে, তো চলুন গাইস আজকের ভিডিওটা শুরু করি। পড়েছি পার্কারের আইডিতে। সো আজকে আমরা দেখব এই ভিডিওটা, তো চলুন শুরু করা যাক।
Where's me? What's your dad's job? Why is he working in the basement?
He said he was a surgeon, but I've never seen him work in the hospital, only in the basement. Last night, I got these marks.
Bite marks or white
এর
marks?
হাতে আঘাত করেছিল, দেখলেন?
Hey guys, before this video starts, please check out our Instagrams. Our usernames are right here. So please follow
এটা
both of our accounts
পার্কার
if you want to support us.
সিস্টার।
Hello, Lux Army. Let's try to smash 100,000 likes to show how strong we are. So for this episode, we received a report from a 19-year-old girl named Kayla. Kayla lives with her dad, and she says that he works in the basement of their house. She also says weird things have been happening in her house at night, like screaming and scratching noises coming from the basement. She sent us this video for proof. Now, Kayla says that she hasn't gone in the basement since she took that video, and that her dad now locks the basement door. Currently, Kayla's dad is on a trip, and she's home alone. So today we're going to drive out to her house and try to find out what's going on. Let's go.
তো এখন সে ওই বাড়িতে যাবে।
Bro, that video actually scared me. What could he be doing in the basement that he needs to hide from his daughter? Yeah, I know her dad deserves his privacy, but we need to find out what's going on in that basement. We don't know what we're walking into.
তো এখন রেডি হচ্ছে, যাচ্ছে বাড়িতে, ওই ভূতের বাড়িতে।
Alright, this looks like the place. Yeah, this is the place.
দেখা যাচ্ছে
You ready for this?
ওই বাড়িতে। এখন দেখা যাক কি
Let's go.
হয়।
Let's go. Alright, let's go. Bro, is this the right place? Yeah.
ভাই নক নক করছে।
Hi. Kaylee, nice to meet you. Yeah, can we come in and talk? Okay, thank you.
তো সে এখন ঘরে ঢুকেছে।
Okay, Kayla, thank you for letting us sit down with you.
এখন সে
Okay, so
বসে
can you
কথা
explain to
বলবে।
us more what's been going on?
I think there's something moving down there.
You think there's something in the basement?
Yeah, I hear things moving down there. And last night, I thought there was something in my room, under my bed.
What? I mean, not to be rude, but it seems like you sound a little bit paranoid. Why do you think that they've been coming into your room?
Last night, I got these marks on my body.
What
Oh,
what
ভাই,
is this? Are those
ওর
bite
হাতে
marks?
মানে এই ভূতটা আঘাত করেছে। ভাই
I
সাহেব,
don't know. They're just creeping me out.
Don't jump to any conclusions yet. You know, that could just
ওর
be a
হাতে
scratch from
ভূতটা
something
আঘাত
on your
করেছে,
bed.
ও সেটা পার্কেকে
I saw something
দেখাচ্ছে।
in my closet a couple nights ago, and I suddenly started feeling dizzy, and I swear I saw something crawling out of there.
What the hell? Are you sure that this wasn't just some sort of dream?
I don't know. I've just been feeling kind of sick lately.
This is kind of freaky. I want to see what's going on in the basement. Yeah, Caleb, what's your dad's job? Why is he working in the basement?
He said he was a surgeon, but I've never seen him work in the hospital, only in the basement.
What? That doesn't make any sense. I don't know what that means. Alright, well, I don't worry about anything now. We're going to be here all night. We're going to set up cameras so we can watch what's going on. Just go to sleep like you normally do. We'll be waiting in the car, watching these cameras, seeing if we can find anything. Okay? Just relax for tonight. Let's get to work. Alright, let's check out that basement.
এখন বেসমেন্টে যাচ্ছে সে। ক্যামেরা সেটআপ করছে, এখন ক্যামেরা সেটআপ করবে।
So you want to try to put a camera in the basement?
এখানে একটা ক্যামেরা সেটআপ করবে। করবে না, কোথায় জানি যাচ্ছে।
It's locked from the inside. It can't be, dude. Bro, there's a passcode. What the hell? Alright, whatever. I guess we can't put a camera in the basement. There, we got one there. It's fine. Okay, let's just put a camera in Kayla's room. Hi, Kayla, can we put a camera in your room?
তো ওর ঘরে এসে বললো, ওর ঘরে এখন ক্যামেরা সেটআপ করবে। এই যে
Okay, we're gonna go into the car. Just go to sleep like normal. Hopefully, we'll talk in the morning. Okay, let's go. Bro, something's feeling really off about this place. Dude, it's fine. Let's just go in the car. Let's go. Alright.
এখন যাচ্ছে। যাচ্ছে।
Alright, so we're waiting in the car right now. We got the camera set up, watching them on our phone. We got one watching the hallway, one watching the basement door, and we got one in Kayla's room. Dude, that basement door is locked. I don't know
ও
what we're
গাড়িতে
really
ঘুমাবে
expecting.
কারণ
Let's just wait and
ওই
see. If we can
বাড়িতে
chill out and go to sleep,
একটা
I'll wake you up if I
বেড
see anything.
নেই, এর জন্য সে এখন গাড়িতে ঘুমাবে। ওকে, এখন ক্যামেরা সেটআপে দেখাচ্ছে কি কি হবে। পার্কার এখন জেগে আছে, সো এখন ঘুমিয়ে গেছে পার্কার। ভাই কি শব্দ করছে ভাই? ও ভাই ওইখানে দেখো কি জিনিস, ভূতটা বেরিয়ে এসেছে। ও ভাই ক্যামেরা, ভাই ক্যামেরাটা ফেলে দিয়েছে সে, ওই ভূতটা ক্যামেরা ফেলে দিয়েছে। এই যে গাইস দেখুন দেখুন গাইস, এই যে এখানে ভূতটা, ওই যে পার্কার ঘুমিয়ে দিয়েছে। ভাই ও রুমে যাচ্ছে। কি করছে ভাই? কি হলো এটা? আচ্ছা এখন 2:18 AM বাজে।
One of the cameras is on the
তো
ground.
এরা এখন উঠে পড়েছে।
How would it get on the ground? I don't know, dude. Check the other one. Check the other ones.
ও গাইস,
What is he doing?
ওরা দেখে ফেলেছে।
We gotta go in, bro. Let's go. Let's go inside.
গাইস ওরা আত্মা দিয়েছে।
Let's go.
ওই মানুষটা ভূতটা, এই যে দেখুন গাইস, এখানে একটা কিছু দেখা যাচ্ছে। এখন এসে পড়েছে গাইস, জানি না এখন কি হবে। কি হচ্ছে গাইস? পার্কার ভয় করে না, সে ভূতের সামনে। পার্কার ভয় করে না গাইস। এখন উঠে পড়েছে। ও গাইস বাইরে এসে পড়েছে, গাড়ি উঠে পড়েছে, চলে যাচ্ছে।
Let's go, dude. Drive. Drive. Do you feel okay? Are you feeling okay? We're gonna get you somewhere safe. Okay, yeah, we gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta get out of here.
এখন সে চলে গিয়েছে। এখন কি হবে? তো এখানে
Hey
ভিডিও,
guys, thank you for watching this video. If this video
তো
has
এখানে পার্কের কথা
100,000
বললে
likes,
তো
I'll
এখানে
release the next
ভিডিওটা শেষ।
episode. The
এই
video's
ভিডিওতে
over, so you
আপনারা
don't need to keep
100
watching, but
লাইক
here's
করে
some
দিবেন।
footage from our
টাটা,
new
বাই বাই।
channel, exclusively scary content.
গাইস ভিডিওটা এখান পর্যন্তই শেষ। তো ভিডিওটা যদি ভালো লাগে লাইক এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দিবেন। এখন আমি দেখছি আমি শুয়ে রয়েছি কারণ আমার হয়ে গেছে। বাই বাই।